This again a straight to the point video of me explaining how to create a Shopify store in 10 minutes using AI. Let's go right into it because it's going to be really fast, really snappy, and your website is going to look amazing. Let's go and see. So the first thing that you have to do is type launch your .store and get started. So now what you need to do is you need to create a product. So for this to actually work, you need to have a competitor that actually is selling similar or the same product as you. So we're basically going to copy everything. We're going to copy their store, basically, their images and everything. Because you see, when you buy a store from, let's say, from Envato or from Shopify theme store, you're not going to have media inside. So this tool actually steals the photos, the media, the videos that the other store actually has. So it's a really useful tool to use if you just want to really quickly create a really good Shopify store and have an amazing result right from the get-go. This is the fastest way that I have seen. I have tried a lot of different AI tools, and this is the best one by far. So let's go and show you how it's done. The first thing that you need to do is you need to add a new store. So basically you press create a new store. If you already have one, then that's fine. If not, you just create one using Shopify here, the affiliate link. This is not my affiliate link. None of my videos have affiliate links. This is just for what launch your .store gets. So basically it's their affiliate. Anyway, we have a Shopify store, so we don't have to do that. Here we type the URL of our Shopify store. So in my case, you just copy this text right here and you paste it inside here. I already have a plan, connect our app. It's a straightforward process. You just click install, approve. Yeah, this tool is going to cost you like $30 per month, but it's a very useful tool. You have a lot of sections that you can add, and also it's an amazing tool because you don't have to actually buy a theme. Like the theme, you're going to create one of the themes that this app actually has. So it's going to adjust their theme to your needs automatically. So you don't have to buy a theme, you don't have to use any of that. Like you have everything ready when we end that process. So after you have that, what you actually do, you go here, you click continue, that you have done all those steps, and like that we have a store. Now, what you need to do, don't go into that section. If you want to update your store, yes, you can go into that section, but I prefer to go straight to that section right here, add a new product. So basically we're going to click here, create, select the store that we want to add the new product to. So basically you first connect your store, and then what you have to do is when you create add new product, what it does, it basically scrapes the URL that you are going to give it, imports the product, imports images from the homepage, from the reviews, imports a lot of stuff from this particular product, and imports it inside your store. So basically it's going to be really helpful. To start, you are going to see a really good looking store just with a few clicks. So for this particular tutorial, I'm going to copy Omnilux. Like, you know, this brand is a really successful brand. It has an amazing landing page. So we want to basically copy what they're doing. The product that we have, it's not necessarily this one, but this is not a huge problem because we're going to copy basically the design, and then we can edit the product images and everything. We can edit that later. But the design, the look, the overall look, we can copy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this particular page and we're going to go straight here and give a name for our product. Let's say it's this name for our product. And then we're going to press next. So let's wait. 3 minutes, it's all it takes. It doesn't cost anything apart from the subscription on $30 that you are going to get like 3 days from now. I'm not affiliated with them. After the time expires, we're going to end up. So now we have to select the theme that we want to like. Here, unfortunately, the theme the theme structure. This tool, I have to be honest, like this tool is not going to copy text by text everything that you see here. It's going to basically analyze what they do and basically steal a lot of the media that they already have. So basically the images here, some image right here, the product image. It's going to steal a lot of media. It's going to see, okay, we have here a listicle, I'm going to add a listicle. So any section that this store has that it's not compatible, this AI tool, what it does, it has a pre-built Shopify theme that with AI, by getting cues from what you gave him in the product URL, it's going to adjust the theme that they already have. It's not just straight copy. It's going to iterate it a little bit. You're going to see the last result, which is amazing, but it's not exactly the same. So for that reason, we have to select a template basically. So the template, how it works, you go here and you see all the templates. The templates actually are really small, so if you want to see them in full frame, you open video in new tab and you basically see how it looks. So you see the design, you see how it looks. All the designs are really clean looking, so I really like them. But I much prefer this one, to be honest with you. It's a much cleaner look. So let's copy this design right here. So we hit next, continue. And then after we wait for 4 minutes, again, we're going to end up with a Shopify store that looks like this. As you can see, like it gathered, like those are the product images that we already have for another product, but it got some images from the other theme. It got those sections really good. As you can see here, it has like, see the difference before and after. Like you can see a lot of the materials from the other theme actually go translated into here. Of course, if you don't want to copy the users here, like you can use Midjourney and create like faces of people and add them here. You can change the text here so it looks better. Here you can see that it added a photo from another store. Our product, it's not the same. Our product is this one. So basically we have to actually edit that photo, but we can do that using ChatGPT. It's not a big issue. And we have a fully fledged Shopify store with a new theme. We basically updated our old theme with a really good looking theme. And you copy a product page, but it doesn't just copy a product page, it creates a whole new Shopify store. So if we go to the home page, you're going to see that it copied that here as well. It has some media that we can use. Here you can see that it has all the sections. If we go to shop, you're going to see that we have a really clean looking shop with add to cart and everything. So basically it updated the whole website, the whole colors. It added our logo into it. Every product, that if I go right here, every product has the same style, which is really clean, really good looking. It's a really fast way to update your Shopify store, or it's a really good way if you want to just basically copy and basically have a drop shipping store that you want to copy exactly, like they have the same product as you, exactly the same product as you, and you just want to copy them. You can do it like that. And it's going to be even faster because I don't actually steal other people's stores. I used it to just update a website for one of our clients. So it was a really fast way to do that, and I don't have to actually find a new theme, buy a new theme, go all those places like change colors. We have everything ready, and the good thing is that we have media. Like if I go and show you, for example, Atlas, when you actually use Atlas, you are going to end up with something like this. Everything is empty. Since it's empty, you cannot actually see that. And because you cannot see what's happening, the problem is that you don't know if the image that I'm going to create is going to look good. But if you have a store like this, with the media already inside, the product pictures, the testimonials, the listicles, everything is there, then it's easy for you to say, okay, I'm going to replace this person with another person. It's going to be much easier for you to do it, and you'll know before doing the swap that the website is going to look good. So it's a little bit more motivating as well. So that's why I prefer this tool. It doesn't have all the best, the bells and whistles that Atlas does, but Atlas is going to be even more expensive. So if you want to create a Shopify store from scratch, this is the fastest way to do it. And if you want to update your Shopify store, if it looks worse than this, just do the steps that I've showed you and you are going to end up with a really good looking store, really fast, really easy. You are going to be amazed on how many people, even people that are generating like 100K plus, they have mediocre Shopify stores, much worse than this. So it's a really fast way to update your Shopify store without you needing to hire a Shopify developer, or you have to actually cut the time, the hours that you are going to work on your Shopify store by more than half. So it's amazing. And remember, like, media is 50% of the Shopify store that you're going to create. Everything is the images that you are going to add. So this, because it has the images, it is super useful for someone like me that I don't know if this image, it is going to look good with this banner right here. I have it. I like it, it looks clean, so just replace this image. It's going to be much easier for me to do. That's all. I hope you like it. I hope you got some value from it. If you have any questions, just leave comments below and I will answer them. Thank you very much for watching.